how to sign out of YouTube account from other devices. So if you want to sign out of your YouTube account from other devices, then what you need to do is you need to simply open up your YouTube application. Once you've opened, now you can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right, and you will have settings option on the upper right. Tap on the settings. Under your settings, you will have account. Tap on account and choose your account or Google account. Once you're here, you need to tap on your account or your profile and then again tap on it. So once you're here on the profile, tap on Google account and it will take you to your Google account, right? You need to go for the security option, and under security, if you scroll down here, you will have the login sessions. So here you will have your devices option. So tap on manage all devices and then you will have all of the sessions or all of the devices in which you have logged in. So I have two sessions on my Windows computer and two sessions on my Android phones. So you can simply choose any one of your phone, and if you want to sign out of your YouTube account from the phone, then simply tap on the device, and here you need to simply go for sign out. And once you tap on sign out, it will sign you out of your account on YouTube. So that's it. That's how you can sign out of your YouTube account from other devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.